Welcome back, viewers on Zlin Aero channel of YouTube. I just am so impressed with the bottom side view of a jet. Twin engines, twin intake, dual exhaust. I can only imagine the old Nevada high rollers used to have a logo or a slogan. Dual exhaust. Or how did it go? Is it dual exhaust? Hard to remember that slogan. It's been 40 years. I think it was fuel injected, dual exhaust, and fully loaded with armament. Yeah, that was it. Fuel injected, dual exhaust, and fully loaded. I believe that was the F4s at that time. But yeah, look at the bottom side of that jet. To look at it on static, I wish I had it for a rebuild. So until next time, you guys, stay safe, subscribe, thumbs up, and all is well.